Okay, if I were to roll that figure, do the first two weaves, roll, and then roll the figure, I get a very similar figure if I finish with the klamath net from the beginning. And like many of the figures that I've looked at through the years, I would have to take pictures of these figures so I could figure out, so to speak, why the difference is, what it might be. But they look the same to me on first glance. But there is one thing that you can do, which I essentially champion as a way of looking at difference whenever you are investigating a series of figures, and that is to kink the center. And I'll show you what I mean by kinking the center. Start, flip, go down, reach, there I have my information. Now I'm going to rotate the center twice away, the index twice away. And then I'm going to do the figure from the beginning. So this is a klamath net when I roll the index twice after a continuation move, and then make another one, and you see it makes a more interesting figure, or at least a different figure. And you can play with how many rotations you put in that center. For example, I do the first and the second continuation move. Now I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 away, because when I do this I'm actually erasing one of those. Okay, that's the first weave, that's the second weave. Here is the finishing. And you can see by rotating that 3 halves, I have changed the top of that figure and made it more pull down on these sides right here. So you can see exactly, I didn't pull it right, but there you are. You can see that that is an entirely different figure, and it's much like the dancing diamond that I have made before.